Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. I have some fun things for this week. We have 2 monthlies, 2 kits, a foil bundle, 3 new foil quote box overlays, a color of the week, 10 new doodles, and a bunch of sticker packs. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. Let's go through the doodles first. So let's go through the color of the week. Last week was like a faux silver sparkle, and this week is a faux gold sparkle, and it is the normal 8 pages. Super cute. Both this and the silver one are so versatile because you could use it in any spread. Maybe you're using gold foil with champagne lights, just super, super cute. I love this page so much. This is the newest page, page 8. Then let's go into the regular doodles, which these are Easter themed. So here is 431, which is a sampler sheet, along with 432, which is also another sampler sheet. So this one here is a little bit more like pretty chic bow flowers situation. And then this one's more kind of cutesy, which I love them both, and I will be using them despite not using an Easter spread this year, but I think that they will go well with just kind of spring things, which is why I did do some of the doodles as spring, just kind of like cutesiness. Like these ones are bunny pancakes, and I think that you can use them kind of all year round because they're just cute. So this is 433. 434 is the most adorable bunny cinnamon bun, which again, I think you can use all year round, or just stick to spring if you want to be a little bit more specific. And then you have bunny ears with little bows, 435. 436 is the little gray bunny with a little Easter egg next to it. 437 is some Easter eggs with bows. 438 is some cute little rain boots, which is a perfect way to mark rain. Most of my rain stickers are either like physical clouds with like rain coming out of them, or like yellow stickers, like yellow rain boots. So I love these for that, along with these as well, which are some umbrellas. And then last but not least is also some Play-Doh, which is so cute in the little pastel colorway. So that is the 10 new doodles for this week. Then we'll get into the foils. So like I said, I have 3 quote boxes coming, and they come in all 4 foils: gold, silver, rose, and hollow. I'll show you them in silver because it's the easiest to see. So this one is a mom quote boxes. So you have 4 different mom quotes, perfect for Mother's Day or just really anytime, mom's birthday, whatever you may. And then I do have the, where's the silver one of this one? I do have the baby quotes as well, which I did use in my lullaby spread, which was the birth week of my daughter. So this is the first option. So super, super cute. I also think a lot of these would be just adorable for like kids' birthdays or kids' spreads in general. Especially there's this one on here that says, "You'll always be my baby," which I think would be cute even for like a 16-year-old spread, like just as something funny, because I feel like I'm always going to say that to my kids. You'll always be my baby. So dang cute. I love these. They're so precious. And I'm going to be using them for other spreads too. So like I might use the "You'll always be my baby" on Theo's birthday spread this year, because I think that'd be so cute. So those are the 3 new quote box overlays. And I have some more coming out soon. Not more like baby or mom ones, but I have some more coming that y'all will love. Then let me show you the foil bundle for this week. So I think last week was a gold floral. No, I think it was, yeah, I think last week was gold floral, and this week is silver floral. Perfect for like Mother's Day, springtime. You get the 2 full box and glitter header overlays, the 2 bougie box, the icons and scripts, the bottom washi fancy headers, date numbers, and deco. So that is a perfect, really nice universal kind of bundle to have on hand. I do have, like I said, 5 different sticker packs that I will go through very quickly. So I did do, was this called Easter Blossom, I think? The exclusive art from not last year, but the year before. I did this as a sticker pack, and it turned out so cute. I think I'm for sure using sticker packs to decorate my dashboards for the month this year. So our sticker packs do have a backer card. This is just on photo paper. And then all of our stickers are on our glossy paper. So they're not like vinyls or anything like that. They're just like sticker paper, glossy sticker paper. So they're not like waterproof, but you can put them on dashboards, use them as die cuts, and they're more affordable than vinyls. So here is a Easter basket, and then you have a bunch of little deco here. The little place setting, the tiered tray, the wreath, an outfit, the basket of eggs. Super cute. So that's the first one. And then I also did do Till Death as like a Valentine's Day option. Probably our most popular Valentine's Day art this year. So cute. The backer card, and then I'll just flip through these real quick. Lots of different things in here. Some rose petals. I love all of this art. It's so pretty. This would also be like a really cute kit for a wedding. If you have a wedding in October, I might be going to a wedding in October, but I have another kit I'm using, but that would be so pretty for a wedding in October. Like really cute. Then let's go into Candyland. I think all these are exclusive art too. Candyland was the most popular Advent, or not Advent, but what do we call it? Ultimate Mystery Bundle art. So I wanted to make it into a sticker pack because it's so cute and perfect for spring or anytime, because I mean candy is like a vibe. So lots of little pieces with this one because a lot of the art was candy. But I think that's really cute as like something a little bit different. And then we have Queen, is it Queen Frostine or something like that? So cute. And then the Labyrinth, which was super requested. I did the Labyrinth. I don't do like a ton of kits where I'm like, I don't know if this is going to custom wise that I'm like, I don't know if this is going to sell well, but I want to do it. But for my 30th birthday, I wanted to do something because I normally don't do like an exclusive art for myself, despite doing exclusive art for like all my kids for my birthday. But I wanted to do this, and Darcy, also who did the art, also loves the Labyrinth, and I knew that she would love to do it. It's always been on my wish list to do it again. So yeah, and it sold so well. Like I was so surprised that a lot of y'all also loved The Labyrinth, which it's just a fantastic movie. So really excited about that. I was so pleased with that. I mean, the art was so good, and it's just a gorgeous kit. The colors are phenomenal. A bunch of these little guys just came out. I did these tiny because I was like, yes, we need tiny, tiny Lucky Charms that are actually the size of Lucky Charms. So cute. So this one is the Lucky Charm art, which also sold super well, which I was super excited about. Oh my goodness. I feel like holidays are, like, to be honest, hit or miss sometimes, depending on what non-exclusive art comes out. So I was really excited this one sold super well. Oh, let me move this. Okay. So you have a bunch of the little Lucky Charms that I made tiny because I thought that that was adorable, that they're like Lucky Charm size. Kirsten's probably like, why, Andrea? You have the photo backer, and then these are all the stickers. So you have the cake, which I love. I love the details on all this. It's just so, so, so pretty. The dog, the gold coins, the balloons. It just makes me really hungry, honestly. I feel like that's another thing that a kit will sell really well if there's food in it. And if there's a lot of food in it, because us planner people, we love food. I mean, who doesn't love food? Let's be honest. So those are the sticker packs. And then I do have some monthly kits. A lot of y'all have been messaging me about spring ones. And I wanted to do something different just to see how you like these. And I wanted to take bloomsicle like papers and make some like more simple but really pretty, because I do love like bloomsicle's art style monthly kit. So I think these are perfect for spring and very like minimal but gorgeous. So this one here is, I don't remember actually what I call these. I want to say maybe like strawberry something and butterfly queen. I don't know. So this one has a faux, actually both of them have faux gold throughout, and this is the B6, which fits the Aura Style B6, and also the print impression SPC version B6. So I actually just show you right here. I did a little mock spread in here. This is the print impression spiral. So if you get the SPC version, it does fit my kits, as well as the SPC version of the spiral also does fit my monthlies. I did it in a random spot, which I don't know why I do that, but it's in here somewhere. Why do I do this, guys? Why do I do it? Oh, here it is. Found it. Nope, I didn't. Where'd it go? Okay, it's like literally playing hide and seek with me. I'm so hungry right now. Okay. Cute. So that's an option as well, but it also fits obviously Aura Style inserts. So here is the B6 kit. So, so, so pretty. I love this art. And then, like I said, it also does come in the A5 wide option, which is really pretty. Just imagine this with gold foil, or even rose would be really nice if you wanted to pull that in. So stinking cute. Just really like simple, something different. But I think would work really well for spring. But even I think both of these can kind of roll into summer, especially like August would be really pretty for this one. And then this one kind of gives me June vibes as well. So this one I think is called like Butterfly Queen or something. I don't remember what I called it, but I love these colors. I think they're so cute. So let me know what you think about this style monthly. I obviously still will do other ones. I usually do monthlies whenever I'm like really, like I think an art set will fit really well, because I feel like for monthlies, whenever it comes to like the art that I normally use in shop, it needs to have like 2 scenes and like very interesting scenes to like warrant being like on here and on the sidebar. So sometimes like I would really love to do a set as a monthly, but it just doesn't work without like being extra hard or looking kind of boring. So that is the 2 monthlies for this week. And then, like I said, I do have 2 kits for this week. We'll go in, we'll do the exclusive art one last because I love it so much. So much. But let's go into this one first. This one's called Cotton Candy, and I'm pretty sure Jess of Kitness Jess requested me to do this. I think she sent me the link and was like, hey, and I was like, okay, I'll do it. Okay, so this one's called Cotton Candy. It's super cute, a very anytime set, but also I feel like has the colors for spring or summer. So let's go ahead and go into it. Both of these kits do come in Ultimate and Mini. So here are the full boxes. I love the colors. I think the elements are adorable, and all of the fashion options, especially this one's so cute. So those are the full boxes, and then you have the extra boxes in the Ultimate, and these colors are so pretty. I feel like this kit, you could do so many different things with foil, like obviously gold, silver, hollow, sparkly hollow, rose. I think any of them would work. I think you could do mixed metal. I think you could do a lavender hollow. I think you could do a pink or a purple foil if you have something that you think matches really well. I don't know. I just feel like honestly any foil, any core foil, and then beyond that, like there is a lot of like colorful options as well that I think could go really well. There is the extra in both the Mini and the Ultimate here of the extra fashion boxes. And then let me go ahead and show y'all the add-on options. So it comes in an Ultimate and a Mini, and then there is a 15mm strip option that is like an ombre, which is also like ombre on the side here. And then there is the label sampler if you want to add it on, and then there's also the fashion options if you want to add it on. I love her purple hair. It is so cute. So that is Cotton Candy. And then last but not least, I'm so excited about this kit. This is my like Mother's Day custom art for this year. I'm not going to be doing every holiday custom art. Just because I also feel like I've been doing it for like 8 years. Well, probably like 7 doing like every holiday. But I just feel like sometimes I'm like kind of out of ideas. So unless I'm like super inspired, I won't be doing like every single holiday new exclusive art. But I'll be extra on the lookout for like other art for those. But this one I think is so pretty and so beautiful. I wanted to do lots of food. And I also wanted to do something that isn't necessarily like super like mom like there was Her Day, which was still very mom, but I feel like could have been like, well, it could have also, there's like mom elements throughout the boxes, but it wasn't like super Mother's Day specific. So I feel like you use it for mom's birthday. I feel like you can use it like as a mom or whatever you wanted to do, or you could just use it regular because the mom stuff was like kind of hidden nonetheless. But I wanted to do something this time that the mom stuff was not really in the boxes, so you could use it just as like a really cute like brunch party kit. I feel like this would be really pretty for a baby or a bridal shower, a birthday party, just brunch with your friends, anything like that. I think it's super cute, very like neutral as far as the Mother's Day vibes go, unless you look at the add-ons. So I love this. I love all the food. I just think it's really well done. The florals, this cake is gorgeous, and I am obsessed. I am so excited to use it. Jessica J. Crew plans, RIP. She's no longer doing her Instagram, but she's still planning. Her birthday is the same week as Mother's Day, and I think that this is going to be the perfect kit to not only be for Mother's Day, but also be for her birthday. And then also, I didn't even think about it or notice, but Jessica has red hair now, and this person is perfect. And like these, like I love the profile on her. She's so cute. Okay, anyways, so let's go into it. So you have your boxes here, which again, I just gushing over. I love it. It's so pretty. Another one, I think you could do a bunch of different foils. You could do gold, silver, you could do rose. I think even matte bronze would be really pretty with this one, or like a matte taupe if you had like a really nice, I think rose would be really pretty because it has like that dusty like rose color. But yeah, I think there's lots of options. Or if you had like a muted down green. I haven't found like a perfect muted green. I need to really get on that. And then your extra boxes here are more food flat lays because I can't help myself. Also, if you wanted, you can put this together and it is another double box, but I do like it enough to be standalone as well. Like, look at how much food. I'm obsessed. I can't stop. These colors are really pretty. I love the blue, the green, and the pink together. I just think it's a really pretty color story. You have your floral decos and other decos in there. Like, I just am obsessed. I don't know what foil I'm going to use with that. I'm almost contemplating rose, which I don't ever use rose in my planner, but I think it would be a really pretty vibe. I love this bottom washi so much. I left this blank because I think a quote box would be perfect, whether you're using it for a birthday, if you're using it for something lovey, if you're using for a Mother's Day. I think a quote box would be perfect on that, right in the corner of the spread. And then the extra in both the mini and the ultimate kit is this like nude color, which is really pretty. So I can't with this kit. I am so excited about it. I am so excited about it. If you can't tell, I'm just like, honestly, I'm just reinvigorated with planning and like I'm just in love. Also comes in a mini kit, and let me show you all the add-on options because there's quite a few here, like a lot. Okay, so you have the 15mm strip if you want to add it on. Would look beautiful next to that green. You have the label sampler if you want to add that on. There's the fashion options, which I already showed you, which are so stinking cute. She almost gives me like elf vibes, like with the really like cute pointy up nose. Love it. And then there's mom boxes, which are really like nice and like minimal. So you have this like hand holding the card that says, "We love you, mom." And then this cake with the mom on top, which I just think is nice. It's very simple. I don't know. I just like it chic, simple, clean. And then there is also fam options if you want to add these on, which I thought these were so cute. I did them in tall boxes, and you have 2 different options here, which I just think are adorable. They both have different vibes in their outfits, and we have all 6 options as per normal. So this is option 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like sticking together. 5 and 6. So cute. So that is the, oh, I didn't even say what the name of the kit was. I think it's called Brunch. Yeah, Brunch. Super easy because, like I said, I wanted to do something that you can use for like many occasions, not just Mother's Day. So if you have another Mother's Day kit that you really want to use, then you can use this for a different time. Or if you want to use this for a different time other than Mother's Day, you can do that as well. Or if you just need a Mother's Day kit, it's here for you. So those are the new releases for this week. I hope that y'all love them. I am so excited, as you can tell, for this week's releases. I just think they're so cute. We have all the sticker packs, which I didn't put back, so I'm not even going to show those again. We have the sticker packs, we have the 2 monthlies, we have the 2 kits, we have the foil bundle, we have the 3 new foil full boxes, the doodles, and the color of the week. And that is everything, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.